racing करने. So this is the ghost cars. They put a white. So these are the ticket cost out here.
You can stand up from your car, okay? If you need help, just put your hands up in the...
In third, basically, it was a quite good ride. Out the Go Karting, and now we are partying. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज हम आए हैं यहाँ पे motor racing करने. So I will show you around. Halloween. This is the reason they have ghosted the cars. This is the ghost cars. They put a white cloth on them, made ghost out of the cars, and we have some Halloween balloons as well out here. So let's go and check it out. So let's go inside now. Oh my god, where is the smoke coming from? Oh, there's a smoker out here. And this is the scene for the Halloween. They have some games as well out here. Table football. Let's go to the main place now. Okay, that's it. That's a place where we racing, and here we have Karti. So this is the Halloween celebration, and the ladies.
Please scan this code and register.
Ladies are.
Go Hearts, yes?
Now we will scan the code, and yeah, you can register yourself. Put your username and the password, and you can register yourself. So these are the ticket cost out here. We got the one for the 8 minutes, and also you need to buy these head these things which are they have kept out there. So you have to buy this. It's 15 zlotys per this thing, and the helmet is for free, so you will get a helmet and this stuff to wear. You cannot go inside without wearing this. Now we're going inside.
And to the right.
And to the right. Okay.
Dobra, możesz nas jeździć kiedyś? Tak. Flagi wszystkie znamy? Tak.
So we have Maximilian, Felix, and these guys are racing.
Co robimy?
First is Maximilian,
Niebieska?
Felix is second, and Jan is third. Now I have to wear this.
I tam do kolejną sobie podali. Okay, so welcome on our track. Pole position Janki. Okay, it's your first time karting ever?
Yes.
First time. Okay, so under your right foot is a gas. Okay, and your left foot is a brake pedal. Okay. When you're driving, just don't press gas and brake at once because the car will stop. Okay, it will turn off. The most important thing is that when you're driving, you can stand up from your car. Okay, if you need help, just put your hands up in the air. We will come to you and help you. Okay, great. About the flags, so the yellow flag means that there's some hazard on the track. Okay, you need to slow down and look up what's happening on the track in front of you. Okay. Red flag means that there's some bigger hazard on the track. When you see this red flag, you need to turn to the right side of the track and stop there immediately. Okay. Blue flag means that there is some faster driver behind you. Okay. So when you see this blue flag, you need to again turn to the right side of the track, slow down a little bit, and let somebody through. Okay. At the end of the race, there's a second flag. That means that your race is ending. Yeah. So when you see this flag, just slow down and drive carefully to the pits from where you start. Okay. Okay, so when you drive to the pits, you need to stop there and don't stand up without our permission, okay? All of you gonna drive to the pits, all of you gonna stop there, you're gonna turn off all of the cars and we'll say that you can stand up, okay? Any questions? No.
Thank you. So, yeah, this is how it looks like. So I came third. Basically, it was a quite good ride. Good, really awesome. So this was all about today's adventure, about the Go Karting, and now we are parting from Go Karting and going home. I hope you like this one. Please come and try this place. It's awesome. Really gush of adrenaline and awesome, especially for the kids. They would love it, I know. So see you in the next one. Until, have a nice time.